Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EUR/USD drops to fresh lows in sub 1.1800 levels. Focus on Lagarde. http ntvforex.com News ID FCBA 546 minutes ago by Pablo Piavano. EUR/USD fades the initial strength and moves below the 1.18 mark. Dollar buying remains behind the correction lower in the pair. ECB's Christine Lagarde speaks later on Monday. The better start of the week in the greenback is forcing EUR/USD to recede to fresh two-day lows in the sub 1.18 area on Monday. EUR/USD focused on ECB, looks to USD. The continuation of the upside momentum in the greenback prompted sellers to keep the risk-associated assets under pressure at the beginning of the week, prolonging the downside bias sparked on Friday at the same time. In fact, the dollar regains poise and advance well above the 93.00 mark when gauges by the US dollar index DXY, or two-day highs, in a context where the risk-off sentiment looks comfortable. Despite the move, the pair remains well immersed into a multi-day consolidative range. Nothing scheduled data-wise in Euroland on Monday, whereas the focus of attention will be on the participation of ECB SC. Lagarde at an event later in the European afternoon. Across the pond, the calendar is not much interesting either, with the Chicago Fed Index only for release and the speech by FOMC SL. Brainerd. What to look for around EUR/USD dropped and recorded fresh monthly lows near 1.1740 following the FOMC gathering. Despite the move, the pair's outlook remains positive and bouts of weakness are so far deemed as short-lived and look contained. In addition, the improved sentiment in the risk-associated universe, auspicious results from domestic fundamentals which have been in turn supporting further the view of a strong economic recovery following the coronavirus crisis as well as a calmer US-China trade front are all underpinning the constructive view on the single currency. The solid positive stance in the speculative community, the latest message from the ECB and the euro area's current account position also collaborate with this view on the currency. EUR/USD levels to watch at the moment. The pair is losing 0.42% at 1.1787 and faces the next support at 1.1737. Monthly low separate 17 seconded by 1.1709. 38.2% Fibo of the 2017-2018 rally and finally 1.1695 monthly low August 3. On the other hand, a break above January 1917 high separate 10 would target January 1965 monthly high August 18 en route to January 2011-2020 high separate 1. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.